Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are looking at WordPress and how to create a new page. So after you're signed in or created an account at your website, go to your navigation bar on this left side here where you can see your home, stats, upgrades, and whatnot. And then go to pages, click on it. I'm already on there. And then adding a new page is easy. All you have to do is click add new page. If you want, you can publish it immediately after you create a page. So it will go live on the website, or it will be implemented in the website. Or you can make it a draft if you're not finished with it, and you can come back to it and then work on it and then publish it. Or you could schedule it so it releases on a certain date that you want to have that page. So let's just click on add new website or add new page. And then it will show us some templates, what we could do. These templates are really nice because they give you like a simple, it basically makes your work easier. So you create like contact us page, but I'm just gonna do like a tutorial page. So I'll just start with a blank page so I can show you everything. So it already gives us a title box and a paragraph box. I'll add a title. So I'll just do like adding a page, WordPress tutorial. Then we can start writing our whatever you want to write. So in order to add page, sign to WordPress. Alright, I can go on, but yeah, this is how it is. And let's just say I finish writing, and then I can copy block, duplicate if I want to add another box of text. I can even move it around. Right now I'm gonna add a picture, so I'll click on image. So just click on the add button on the bottom. So you can click on upload to upload from your computer, or if you have like a picture URL, you can put URL. So I'm just gonna go to WordPress logo, search it up. I'm gonna show you how to use a URL. So just right click on it, then copy, save link as, copy link address, and then yeah, you just copy link address and then URL. Alright, never mind, that doesn't work. I'll just upload a picture from my own computer. So we'll just go to PDFs. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is a picture. You can add any picture you want, and then you can resize it. And then if you want to add like another box, you click on this, add block, and you can search. You can add these like a heading, gallery, paragraph. So whatever you need to add. So let's add like a video. Just search up video. You could link a YouTube video, like if you have a tutorial. Just go to YouTube video. Just click. So I'm just choosing a random video right now, but after you get your video,
what's up, guys?
Copy the link up here, go back here, and then paste your link here, or enter here, and then click embed. And then you'll have your video on your website. Then video tutorial. It also gives you a place to write your caption. Block. Now you can move stuff around, so I can like move this picture up by clicking the up arrow. I can widen it, make it smaller, or crop it. There's like a lot of stuff you can do, but I'm just showing you guys how to add a page. So this is a simple page. You could add like a footer as well. So it gives you like template footers. So I'll just click one of them. And then yeah, here you go. You have your page now. And then after you're done, you can click on publish. So it'll go to your website immediately. You can click on preview to see how it looks like, or you can save it as draft. So I'm just gonna save it as draft because I'm not entirely done with it. Then this says draft saved, so we know to save. And then these links, you can change the text first of all, of course. And then links, you can edit the link to go to whatever link you want to go to. So Instagram, just put the link of your Instagram here. And then when people click on the Instagram link, it will take them to your thing. Let's say like I don't have Tumblr. If I want to edit that, I'll just say what's another social media? Twitter, I guess. I could put my Twitter URL. And yeah, that's basically how you create a new page on WordPress. I hope you guys learned something new and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys.